How much do you know about fasting? Would you like to learn more about the science behind fasting and the published health benefits? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course on fasting and health. This course is presented by Dr. Karen Zinn, who is a New Zealand registered dietitian and senior lecturer at the Auckland University of Technology. Dr. Karen Zinn is an expert in the area of low carbohydrate healthy fats and has published important studies regarding LCHF and health. She has recently developed a super fasting protocol, which she explains in this presentation. You will learn the different types of fasting protocols and the science and research supporting the use of fasting protocols on different populations for various health benefits such as improved neurological, cognitive, and glycemic responses, as well as weight loss. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2.5 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. Learn the principles and science behind fasting to help you and your clients achieve optimal health. What are you waiting for? Click the link now.